Hello and welcome back to another video. Let's get this Enhill multi-tool out of its box. Let's see if it's any good, shall we? Let's do the unboxing part first. It's an 18-volt system, so uses the same Enhill batteries, which is really impressive. Comes well packaged. As you can see there, so I'm just going to take the instructions out, put them to one side. There's a little box with all the accessories for it, blades, Allen key, etc. Now let's get the main multi-tool out itself. First impressions, it does feel well built, feels really strong, good quality. Yeah, feels really nice in the hand. Obviously that bit there, where my hand is, that's where the blades and accessories screw onto with an Allen key. On off switch. Yeah, it does feel nice in the hand, really comfy. There's a warranty to register the warranty for it. Now let's get into this box, shall we, and see what's inside it. We always have to make it tough to get into, don't we? So in the box, you'll see in a minute, it comes with 8 sanding pads. So I'm just gonna count them out now. Yeah, I think they're going to be good quality. I think you will be able to get aftermarket ones to fit it off Amazon or eBay or somewhere like that, I would imagine. Yeah, look good. There's just the sanding block it sticks to on the Velcro. Yeah, good. Now there's 2 cutting blades in it. One's like half moon shape, which you'll see in a minute. Yeah, that's a wood one. And then just that other one is a wood and plastic one, which I will be demonstrating on in the next bit of the video on a piece of wood. One thing to note on when you're putting them on, make sure they're very tight, because they can work loose. It's happened to me quite a few times that they've worked loose, so just nip them up. Also does plastic, that one does. I would imagine that other one would do plastic as well. Allen key. It's worth keeping it with it, yeah, so you don't lose it. So now I'm just going to cut into a bit of wood just to show you like how good it is. I will do a better demonstration with it in a later video, but this is just to quickly show you what it's like. As you can see, it's going down the grain in a minute quite easily. I would say like a knife through butter. Yeah, very handy. It's really handy to have in your toolbox. Definitely if you do bits of joinery at work. If you own one of these, put down in the comments down below, what do you think about them? Is it worth putting in the kit? Let us know down below. Yeah, I'm just doing various cuts just to show you. I know the camera angle's not very good. One thing I would note as well, it's good on battery. This 2 amp battery lasts ages. As you can see there, I've notched it out. Just going to demonstrate doing a few more cuts with it, just to show you. Just trying it downwards now. Not really putting too much pressure on it, and it's going through it just nicely. Be interesting to note how long these blades actually last, being so small. But we can, time will tell, and I'll let you know how well they last. So I'm just going to chop this bit off now. As you can see, a nice rebutter. Not struggling at all. One thing I do like about it is a nice clean cut. So if you're doing the finer joinery, it's, it's nice little cut. Just shaves it off, which is really good. If you like this kind of content, please consider subscribing. That'll be appreciated. That'll the channel grow. Got some good stuff upcoming, so stay tuned. So now I'm going to go onto the sanding pad. Just put it on. Just going to demonstrate it and see how good it is really quickly on this piece of ply, because I sealed this piece of ply, so I just want to just smooth it out. Yeah, first impressions, it's good. Very little handy thing to have. Feels nice in the hand too. I think it's really worth the money. I'll put in the link in the description down below how much I pay for it and where I got it from. Yeah, really happy with it. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you soon in the next one. See ya.